Hi, friends! It's me, Tia. Have you ever wondered why we need to sleep? I mean, wouldn't it be amazing to just play and explore forever? Well, guess what? Sleep isn't just for resting, it's actually one of the coolest things your body does. Let's find out why. Think of yourself like a robot. You run, jump, and learn all day, but just like a phone battery, you can't go forever. Sleep recharges you, so you can wake up feeling strong, fast, and ready for a brand new adventure. And guess what? Your brain doesn't just switch off when you sleep, it's actually super busy. It organizes everything you learned today, like solving a giant puzzle. That's why, after a good night's sleep, remembering things is so much easier. But what if you don't get enough sleep? Uh-oh. Your brain gets tired, too. You feel grumpy, can't focus, and even fun things seem super hard. It's like trying to ride a bike with flat tires. Fun fact: dolphins sleep with only half their brain at a time so they can keep swimming. Imagine if you could nap while still playing hide and seek. So next time it's bedtime, don't think of it as the end of fun. Think of it as training for your superpowers. Sleep makes you stronger, faster, and even smarter. Now tell me, what's the weirdest dream you've ever had? Drop it in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun science facts. Bye! See you next time!